So our math problem today is about Tigger and Roo having a race. The first race is 150 feet down and back, the second race 100 feet down and back, and the second race 75 feet down and back. Some information we need to know is Roo makes 3 jumps at 2 feet each, while Tigger makes 2 jumps at 1 yard, which is 3 feet each, at the same time. Here is race number 1, the 150 feet down and back race. I have represented Roo with blue and Tigger with pink, and my lines are 2 feet across, and I have used the lines on my pages just to kind of keep that lining consistent throughout the whole race. So Roo takes 3 jumps of 2 feet each, while Tigger takes 2 jumps of 3 feet at the same time. So if we represent this on our diagram here, we can see that both Roo and Tigger end up on the 150 feet line, which means they tie because none of them have to make an extra jump to make it past the 150 feet line. So here we have race number 2. They are going to 100 feet and back again, so that's 200 feet in total. So here I have just set up marks on my pages 2 feet apart, and I have taken Roo going his 2 feet, 3 at a time, and then Tigger takes his 3 feet, 2 at a time. And so I've kept going at that until I got to the very end here. And at the very end, you can see that Tigger's mark ends at 99 feet, while Roo's mark is completely at the 100. So that means that Roo does not have to turn around and make an extra jump to be able to go back. But Tigger, on the other hand, has to take another jump to be able to go across the 100 feet line to be able to go back the other 100 feet. So Roo ends up winning by 4 feet because Tigger has to jump an extra 2 feet past the 100 mark, which also means he has to jump an extra 2 feet to get back here. So here is race number 3. Again, Roo is represented by blue and Tigger is represented by pink. The lines are 2 feet. So here the race is 75 feet down and back, which is a total of 150 feet. So here we just have them doing their normal. Roo is jumping 2 by 3 and Tigger is jumping 3 by 2. So if we continue this pattern like we have in the last 2 races, we should end up with Tigger landing exactly on the 75-foot line, while Roo has to do 1 more jump to be able to pass the 75-foot line. So this lets Tigger win by 2 feet because Roo had to go 1 more foot to pass the 75-foot line.